How to transfer Dogwifhat from Binance to Bybit. Now, first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of Dogwifhat token from our Bybit account. Now, to do that, make sure to open to your Bybit app and make sure to log into your account. Now, after that, tap on Assets and now tap on Deposit and now click on Deposit Crypto. After that, what you need to do, in the search bar, type WIF. So after you find your token, now just click on it. After that, what you need to do, just as you can see here, now select this one as a network. Now you can copy the address of your token and go and open your Binance app. And now after you open the Binance app, make sure to log into your account and now tap on Asset to transfer the token. After that, tap on this spot from the top bar and click on Withdraw. So after that, what I want you to do, in the search bar, type the token name like that, and after you find it, now click on it as you can see. After that, click on Send via Crypto Network. And wait a few seconds, as you can see, now in the address, now you can provide the address that you copied from your Bybit account. In the network, select this one now, and the amount, now type the amount that you can transfer, and after that, click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your Bybit account. So this is how to transfer Dogwifhat from Binance to Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.